So very simple drive, super lightweight, and it looks great. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Lexar NQ100 240 gigabyte 2.5 inch SSD. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the nice retail box and packaging right here for our SSD. So with this particular drive, it features a 3-year warranty and read speeds up to 550 megabytes per second. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, you can see we have our quick start guide and warranty information available in multiple languages. Next, you can see we got the drive itself with the Lexar logo and branding, solid state drive. I really like the gray, silver, and blue color scheme that they have going on. You can see we have our screw mount options right here, our threaded holes, so we can attach this to our case or any brackets as needed. You can see on the back side we have our NQ100 2.5 inch SSD, Lexar logo and branding, 240 gigabytes for our capacity. And you can learn more about our product with our serial number right there as well. Check out the connectors as well to our PC. So very simple drive, super lightweight, and it looks great. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. To mount our SSD, we're gonna use the included thumb screws that came with our test bench case. And we're gonna locate the SSD bracket right here, which is along the side. We're actually gonna mount this diagonally up and underneath. So we're gonna point our connectors down so we have easy access to get to them. So we're gonna take our thumb screw, we're gonna line it up on the side right here, and we're gonna gently tighten in place. And then we're gonna find the other hole and do the same thing. Just tighten it like you see right here. So there we go. We just successfully installed our SSD. Now let's go ahead and connect it to our motherboard. So the drive's all connected now. We have our SATA cable plugged into the SATA 1 port, and you can see the remnants right here of our power cable. We have that plugged into the drive, so everything is all set up and ready to go. So with the SSD installed on our PC, you can see the device properties right here. By default, we have 223 gigabytes of actual usable space. You can see we have nothing on the volume right now. That's what we get right out of the box with our Windows 10 PC. Now let's go ahead and benchmark it. All right, so now you can see our benchmark results up on the screen. We have Crystal Disk Mark and AS SSD. Now, Lexar advertises a read speed of 550 megabytes per second and a write speed of 450 megabytes per second. I'm happy to report we are right and well within those ranges, so it definitely works as advertised, even across multiple benchmarking applications. So first up, you can see Crystal Disk Mark. We got a read score of 550 megabytes per second. That is perfect with what they advertised. And a write score actually above what they advertised of 466 megabytes instead of the 450 that they say it can get. Now for AS SSD, we're a little bit slower on the reads, 518 megabytes per second, but well within range. And for write, we are so close to their advertised 450. We got 446 megabytes per second. So overall, this is definitely a middle of the range SSD in the sense that when you're using the 2.5 inch SSDs, they're going to be a lot faster in read and write than your disk drives. But there are M.2 SSDs available if your motherboard supports them that I would highly recommend looking into. Even the PCIe 3.0 cards can get 2,000, 3,000 megabytes a second for your read or your write scores. And then we have PCIe 4.0 for your M.2s that can go even higher, 5, 6, 7,000. So this is a big improvement with no moving parts from your, traditional disk drives, but there are even faster alternatives available. But if you're putting this in a laptop, storing your games on it, your OS, you will be just fine. You'll be very happy with a drive like this that's very affordable for the amount of solid storage space that you get and still delivers back some decent performance. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? and subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.